good, beautiful people? Thank you so much for joining me at my channel again. My name is Kia. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all my new videos and just stay in touch with me and always see me, because I'm kidding. Today I have a really highly requested video, and that's pretty much been like my hair care routine and what do I do to grow my hair so long. As you guys all know, I am relaxed. I'm not a natural sister, you know, I am a relaxed sister. So yeah, and I always see all over YouTube like natural hair videos, like everyone's doing natural hair videos and how to maintain natural hair. But yeah, I rarely see anyone doing relaxed hair videos and how to take care of relaxed hair. So I believe that's something that I could do if you guys would like to see that. This video today is going to be on a particular brand, and that brand is going to be Black Castor Oil. I was sent some items by them, and I thought that was like very like coincidental. I thought that was very weird because I was already going to do a video about Black Castor Oil. So when I got this package, I was like, they must have read my mind. Yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys about 3 ways that I like to use Black Castor Oil. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is very beneficial to your skin and your hair and just your body, period. And I'm pretty sure that everyone uses it by now. Like everyone has jumped on the bandwagon of Jamaican Black Castor Oil. If you haven't, I'm going to show you guys 3 ways that I like to use it, and I've seen nothing but results from this. Like literally, it's been amazing. Ever since I started this journey of growing my hair longer, I've been incorporating Black Castor Oil into my routine, and it's just been amazing. Like my hair has just grown substantially. So yeah, if you would like to see 3 ways on how I use Black Castor Oil, not only for my hair but also for my skin, just keep on watching. So yeah, and this one is by the brand Jamaican Mango and Lime. You probably know this from if you're in Sally's or your local beauty supply, Walmart. They have it. Really, the line is pretty much everywhere now, and it's the Jamaican Mango and Lime brand. So yeah, that's the brand that I use personally. And I not only was I sent this isn't the one that I was sent, actually. That's a brand new one. It's over there. I don't really feel like getting it, but this is the one that I have already. As you can see, it's not to the top because I use it a lot. So yeah, this isn't brand new. The first step that I use when using my Black Castor Oil is number 1, is my hot oil treatments. So to do my hot oil treatments, all I do is take a applicator bottle, mostly something that looks like this. This one I thought was really cute because it had pink on it, and I got this one from my beauty supply store for only 99 cents. So yeah, it's very cheap, and yeah, this is something I like to use because you really want to make sure that you get the oil on your scalp. You don't more so want to get it onto your hair too much, but more so on your scalp. So yeah, also another step that I like to do is I like to warm it up in the microwave. Once I have it in there, make sure you keep the top off also when you put it in the microwave. But I like to take the top off, and when I put the stuff in, I like to go warm it up in the microwave for maybe about 15 seconds. That's usually warm enough for me. Depending on your microwave, it could be more or less, but for my microwave, I like to leave mine in for about 15 seconds, and it gets pretty hot that way. But yeah, so that's what I do, and I always take my hair in about 4 sections because I like to work with my hair, because my hair is really thick. Even though I am relaxed, if I'm a couple months post relaxer, my hair gets really thick. So I had to work in 4 sections, and yeah, it just helps me. When I blow dry my hair, I blow dry it in 4 sections. When I get my hair relaxed, it's relaxed in 4 sections. I just don't know. It's just 4 sections. It's just good for me. So yeah, that's what I do. And then once I get my hair in my 4 sections, I like to just part it off and then start applying the oil onto my scalp only. And you want to be generous. Don't be scared, you know. You can don't be scared of the oil. Just be generous on your scalp and massage it through your scalp. Now, once I finish with that section, one item that I did have to incorporate into this video because I felt like it matched so good with this, and it's because I use it almost every time I do my hot oil treatments or I wash my hair, and it's this little thing right here. I know you guys are probably wondering like, what is this? But it is a scalp massager, and I like this because it's really good at breaking up my dandruff that I may have in my hair. It's really good at massaging your hair. You're supposed to massage your hair throughout the day to help your hair follicles grow and all that good stuff. I don't know the whole technical reason behind it, but I do know that you are supposed to be massaging your hair like this every single day. So yeah, I will be doing a dedicated video more so on this if you guys want it. So let me know what you guys want, because this machine here, you guys, has changed my life, honestly. So yeah, that's that. Once I'm done with that section, I like to just move around my head. Usually I do my first 2 sections and do my last 2 sections last. So yeah, that is how I do my hot oil treatments. After I do that, I just like to take off my hair and then just put it into a shower cap, and I usually leave it on overnight, but since I didn't have enough time through this video, I only left it in for 30 minutes. But I usually do it at this routine at nighttime, so I usually just sleep with it, and I wake up with the best results. It's honestly amazing. Number 2. So number 2 is, after I've finished blow drying and all that, after all that, my hair seems to be a bit dry after that. Like, my scalp is really good, but my ends are really dry. And for that, I like to use this Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and this one is the coconut one. I love this one in particular because also the smell is really nice, but it also helps the breakage. It prevents the breakage of your ends. So that's why I like to use it, this one in particular, on my hair after it's been blow dried, and I keep it there. Now, black castor oil is really thick, so I wouldn't suggest putting a bunch of it on or putting it on like a daily basis, because it can weigh your hair down and leave it really greasy looking and feeling. So I like to use it maybe twice a week, but I love to use it right after I wash my hair, because my hair is usually kind of on the drier side, like my ends anyway, because of blow drying. So I like to use this on my ends and all through my hair, and I like to just scrunch it in my hair just to get the oil out over it and everything. And you only want to use a little tiny bit. You don't need a lot at all. Trust me, you don't need a lot. So yeah, that's what I like to do. It's just a nice little oil that prevents breakage on my ends, and it keeps my hair looking healthy and shiny. So yeah. So number 3, how I like to use my black castor oil. Another way I like to use my black castor oil is on my skin. I love the way this black castor oil leaves my skin. I usually use this at nighttime and I sleep with it. It's like more of a nighttime routine, but because it's not nighttime, I did not have enough time to do that. I just opted to just leave it on today. But usually in the morning, I use it at night. After I do my face routine, I like to put a little bit of this mango and papaya one, and I like to use just a tiny little bit, and I love to put that on my face, and I love to sleep with it. And in the morning I wake up and do my face routine, and it washes off and all that. But I love the way it looks on my skin. It keeps your skin so hydrated. If you're a girl like me who sometimes deals with really oily skin and sometimes deal with really dry skin, I don't know what it is. And winter, fall and winter is coming up, and usually between those times my skin gets so dry, you guys. Like, it gets like cracking dry. So I have to use a nice and thick oil that'll be good for me, and this is something that I always use for my face. It's always done wonders for me, and it keeps my skin looking so hydrated and healthy and good. Yeah, that's my 3 ways on how I like to use Jamaican Black Castor Oil. If you guys have not, heard about Jamaican Black Castor Oil, I suggest that you guys go pick you up some and use it, because it's really good for that. It helps grow back your hair so amazing. If you're someone that suffers from thinning edges or something like that, I suggest you guys try it, because that was my problem. I used to wear a lot of braids and stuff and sew-ins, and really, honestly, it was like breaking my hair off. Until I started using Jamaican Black Castor Oil, nothing else worked for me. This is the only thing that worked for my hair. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my 3 ways on how I use Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And if you guys would like to see a demonstration on this brush, make sure you guys let me know that also. But for Jamaican Black Castor Oil, I will leave all of the info in the description box. Like I said before, it's in Sally's, it's in the Walmart, it's in the beauty supplies. So you guys just really have to just shop around. I'm pretty sure you can find it somewhere because it's pretty much everywhere. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And if you would like to see more hair care videos, because I really liked this one, I do have a whole nother routine. So let me know. I would love to do that and show you guys how I keep my relaxed hair healthy. So yeah, until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.